Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. If you're using Instagram and you want to delete your search suggestions, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app and here tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here just select your activity, and here just scroll down and you'll get the option of recent searches. So if you want to delete your search suggestions, you must have to delete your recent searches. So simply tap on that and here just tap on clear all and then tap on clear all option again. It will clear all the recent searches you have, or you can one by one clear them. Or if you want to delete anyone from your search suggestions, so for example I'm going to enter any username here, and here you want to delete anyone from your search suggestions. So how can you do that? You have to simply select that profile which you want to delete from your search suggestions. For example, I'm going to delete this one. Simply select that and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, then select block, then select block again. So it will block the person. Now whenever you try to search for that username, the person will not appear into your search suggestions. So that's how you can easily delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.